Looking for cutting-edge tools to transform your projects and elevate your skills? Welcome to samaditech, where we showcase the latest innovations and expertly curated selections just for you. Irwin Professional Rafter Angle is a 7-inch high contrast tool designed to withstand the rigors of any job site. Built with a tough aluminum body, it is Irwin Professional Rafter Angle is a 7-inch high contrast tool designed to withstand the rigors of any job site. Built with a tough aluminum body, it is rust and weather resistant for long-lasting durability. Its vibrant yellow markings on a blue background ensure excellent visibility and effortless reading. The angle tool features multiple measurement scales including 1/8, 1/10, 1/12, and 11/16 inches. It doubles as a protractor saw. Achieve razor-sharp edges on your knives and tools with the MPOWER'S sharpening system. This advanced system utilizes a 6-step process that combines 3 grades of ultra-durable monocrystalline diamond stones with 3 leather belts enhanced by polishing wax. The diamond stones, available in 300, 600, and 1200 grit, are designed for wet sharpening and feature an innovative freestyle diamond notch pattern. Each stone is precisely engineered to a tolerance of plus or minus 0.175 inches. Magnetically attached leather belts come in both hard and soft types, with polishing wax bars offered in 1800, 2500, and 5000 grit for a flawless finish. The interlocking, non-linear diamond recesses ensure superior chip removal, while the sharpening surface provides an impressive 66 square inches of coverage. JessEm Complete Spindle Jointing System is the ultimate solution for achieving precision and efficiency in joint-making tasks. This comprehensive system, paired with an accessory kit, enables quick and repeatable screw joint assemblies with ease. Its precision-engineered surfaces allow for the creation of 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch holes for dowel pins, whether on the ends or faces of workpieces. Screw hole locations can be adjusted in 1/8 inch increments, making it ideal for crafting versatile hole configurations. A built-in alignment slot ensures seamless alignment of screw holes spaced further apart. Constructed from machined aluminum, the kit features stainless steel locating pins with an anodized finish for enhanced durability. Speed Tool Router is a top-notch choice for pattern work and woodworking projects. It maintains its sharpness significantly longer than traditional flat ground cutters, ensuring smooth and precise operation. With top and bottom bearing designs, it minimizes abrasion and chipping, delivering the cleanest cuts possible. This tool features a 1/2 inch cutting diameter, 1/4 inch shank, 1 inch cutting length, and an overall length of 2 3/4 inches. It ensures better chip evacuation, reduced heat buildup, and smoother edges. Suitable for flush trimming on both benchtop and handheld routers, it is constructed from heavy-duty industrial steel and carbide for exceptional hardness and durability. Ideal for working with chipboard, MDF, LDF, melamine board, laminate, and hardwood. Beveler Cordless Pipe Cutter Kit offers a quick, easy, and safe method for beveling plastic pipes. Its innovative lightweight design supports battery operation, ensuring a fume-free experience. This tool is perfect for beveling plastic pipes 2 inches and larger in diameter, including PVC, CPVC, and ABS pipes, even those already in the ditch. An adjustable guide plate ensures consistent bevels ranging from 1/8 to 5/8 inches in length. The cordless beveler also conforms to the pipe's inner surface for precise shaping. Equipped with a durable 4-groove high-speed carbide cutter, it delivers fast and smooth cuts. The kit comes complete with a chamfering attachment, outer cover, cutter, grinder, battery, and charger. Makita Belt Sander is a highly adaptable tool for both wood and steel applications, combining corded performance with cordless convenience. Its electronically controlled brushless motor maximizes battery efficiency, offering up to 50% longer runtime per charge. The sander's compact build and 160-degree swivel sanding head make it ideal for accessing tight spaces while also being easy to store. Equipped with an adjustable LED light, it ensures excellent visibility by aligning with the sanding handle or the contours of the workpiece. The variable speed control lets you select the optimal speed range from 1,960 to 5,600 RPM, and an electric brake ensures quick stops for added efficiency. Featuring a large 21-inch belt with a maximum sanding length of 4 5/16 inches, this sander allows you to complete tasks faster and with precision. Milwaukee Concrete Trench Vibrator provides effective and dependable concrete compaction. It features a powerful motor that can drive heads up to 2.5 inches, producing over 11,000 operations per minute for superior performance in concrete applications. This tool is powered by a chargeable battery, eliminating the need for gas and ensuring a maintenance-free and emission-free operation, making it for both indoor and outdoor use. The Vibrator includes a push-button start for reduced downtime and a wireless remote that activate the device from up to 30 feet away. Its modular pack design allows for easy detachment, enhancing portability. Bluetooth connectivity offers advanced features like tracking, control, and device protection through a phone or computer. Complete tasks quicker and more efficiently with this magnetizing and demagnetizing bit ring. Featuring a powerful rare earth magnet, it provides superior magnetism retention compared to standard magnetizers. Its compact and straightforward design makes it perfect for on-the-go use, allowing you to magnetize a screwdriver bit in seconds with a simple swipe along the shaft. To demagnetize, just slide the ring's side across the shaft and your tool is ready for use. Additionally, this versatile tool doubles as a screwdriver bit holder, keeping fasteners perfectly aligned, ideal for use with hex keys, screwdrivers, drills, and drill bits. It's a must-have for any toolkit. DeWalt saw delivers outstanding precision and high performance, making it perfect for cutting wood and OSB. It features an 8.25-inch blade paired with a robust 5,800 RPM motor, allowing it to easily cut through materials up to 20.5 inches thick, including full 4x8 plywood sheets. The compact saw is thoughtfully designed with built-in storage for essential components, such as the guard assembly, riving knife, blade change tools, and miter gauge. It comes with a sturdy tubular steel stand for heavy-duty tasks and incorporates telescoping rack and pinion guides for some quick fence adjustments. For safety, the saw is equipped with a blade brake and a reset function that prevents accidental starts after power outages, ensuring both reliable and secure operation. Crescent Tradesman's Backpack is designed to provide an organized and efficient way to transport tools. It includes interior zippered mesh pockets, an adjustable front compartment for larger items, a magnetic closure pocket, side pockets, and a water bottle holder, ensuring all essential within easy reach. Constructed with a robust polyethylene base, reinforced metal hardware, and a heavy-duty zipper featuring an oversized pull tab, this backpack is built to withstand demanding environments. Its dual design and practical features make it an excellent choice for professional tradespeople working in tough conditions. Wear and a heavy oversized